Hi, I'm Dr. Emoji, and I present to you the Pyramid Model Project, Parent Workshops, a collaboration between the University of Miami Department of Psychology, the Miami-Dade County Public School Early Childhood Programs, and the Miami Children Initiative.
Welcome back. This is Session 4, Positive Solutions for Families, Problem Solving for Challenging Behaviors, Part 1. But first, let's review what we covered in Session 3. Make your expectations clear. Use age-appropriate language. Have age-appropriate expectation. Tell your child what to do instead of what not to do. Clearly and simply state what you expect your child to do. Let's learn how to talk about our feelings. Our kids may experience millions of different feelings every day, but they need help in learning how to talk about this. A chart like this is a great way to teach your child how to understand and talk about their feelings. Why is it important to teach your child how to talk about their feelings? Well, did you know children with strong understanding tolerate frustration better? Get into fewer fights. Engage in less destructive behaviors. Are healthier, are less lonely, are less impulsive, are more focused, and have great academic achievement. Here are some great exercises that you can practice with your child while teaching them about their feelings. Ask your child to tell you how they feel. Talk to your child about how you feel. Talk about how characters in books, videos, or TV may feel. Use books and other activities to talk about emotions. Accept and support your child's expression of feelings. Talk about how you respond to their expression of feelings. Now it's your turn. Things to try at home. Talk to your child about feelings using the chart from slide 4. Encourage your child to tell you how they feel, and think about how you respond to the expression of their feelings. Okay, that's it for now, but don't forget to be on the lookout for our next short video on Problem Solving for Challenging Behaviors, Part 2.
That's it for now, but check out our other videos. Till next time, Dr. Emoji signing out.